Hey and welcome to Altcoins. In this video we are going to have an update video for our crypto robot. So let's see how we are doing. But before we do that, you can use this robot also. Just use the link you see up here right now and you can sign up for this and you get 7 days for free to use CryptoHopper. Also below the video you find a link. You will also find a link to Binance if you don't have a broker for cryptocurrency from before, so link below the video for that also. Now let's take a look. So as you can see, currently we have 9 pairs open. I started with 11.69, around $11-12, we can see. I see that I make too little profit from that because you also see that we are closed a few trades. This is the last 5 trades. So basically, if we take a calculation, we make like 12 cents each trade, and that is too little. So I take it a little slow now, just to take, as we're testing the robot and everything. So I will double it now, so next time will be like $24 each trade. Then at least we are making 25 cents each trade, and it's a little better. My plan is to start to take around trades around each one for around $100, because then it make a little more sense. At least then we're making a little more than $1 each trade. Then adds up quite much if we start to do many trades each day. So now we can take a look at the settings I have done right now, because it's a little different than we did see in the last video. So you can start from the top again. Here is basically just a name, exchange, we use Binance. I don't have any notifications. Buy settings, I have changed it for this. I had 4% of the balance, I did now change it to 8. Max open position, I have 10. Of course, when I start to take $100 trades, we need to change that a little. So I will see, I think maybe I might just take 4. So in the worst case scenario, I can go in and double up one trade if I need to. For the coins, I have chosen this one here. I can scroll it a little slow, so you can take the same if you want that. Basically, I did just take the pairs that are the biggest one in coin market cap. And the strategy, we are using multiple TI factor. I'm using the 30 minutes. Is stochastic together with the Bollinger Band, with these settings you see here. I might edit this a little later. And of course we need Bollinger Band also for the signal. I do not use trailing stop buy, I might do later. The sell settings, we are taking profit at $1. I might look at take it to $2 or more. We will also backtest a little about that. The sell strategy, I don't use anything here. Stop loss, we don't use. Trailing, that's also something I will look into. Auto close, probably if things go too long, we will just close it manually, I think, if we see something go too long, and then we just close it. Short settings we don't use, and we don't use any dollar cost average. So that's basically the settings we have right now. But yes, I'm going to play more around with the settings, but currently this is working quite good, and will be more fun of course when you start to trade with a little bigger amount than I just try to do right now. Because the target is to make this month basically just to pay enough to pay for the subscription this month, and later start to make the real money. But for now this seems very nice. So the current positions for the 9 trades right now, we can see it's 0.55 in minus. That's completely okay, as we're thinking about this one might be closed quite soon, this one, and this I will need to follow Bitcoin, BNB, and TRX is not bad enough yet, but Litecoin is a little in minus also, so I need to follow this one to see how will happen here. Maybe later on, if this start to be much, I'll go in maybe one more time and see what we do. But I have no problem to hold either BNB or Bitcoin, because they are long-term coins for me. It's worse to hold some of the other coins here. Litecoin I'm not so happy with, so I will need to follow that one. So that was just a small update of what's happening, and I'm pretty happy with that we are getting a little trades, a little more action, and I'll come with an update video also tomorrow. So have an amazing day.